Have you heard why the vibrational mind is the key to manifesting anything that you want? Manifesting doesn't work for most people because they don't know the third part of your mind is the link to the law of manifestation. Incantations alone won't do it, meditation won't do it, visualization won't do it. It is only when you align the third level of your mind, your vibrational mind, that you can easily manifest the life and the things that you want. It won't happen any other way. What is the third level of the mind? The first level is the conscious mind. The second level is the subconscious mind. The third level, that's the vibrational mind. Your vibrational mind is what connects you to the law of attraction and the law of vibration. The law of vibration states that everything has a specific vibration frequency. When things are vibrating at a similar vibration, they are attracted to each other. If you have a high money vibration, you will easily attract more money. If you have a scarcity vibration, you will attract more scarcity and money struggles. When you raise the frequency of your vibrational mind, you will attract new friends, dream vacations, job promotions, business opportunities, and even a soulmate relationship. Hi, I'm Corey Sather. I get it. For 15 years, I've been helping thousands of people to stop repelling the things that they want and start manifesting them into reality. For examples, a new job, becoming debt-free, and a beach house of their dreams. Raising the frequency of your vibrational mind is easy to do. This technique has helped thousands of people raise their vibrational frequency to attract the things they want most. Click the link to see how you can easily raise your frequency to manifest the things that you want. Click the link now and I'll see you in the next video.